All right, today I'm going to do some lock practice, and it was actually a challenge that I got sent these three master locks I think it was about 2 weeks ago. And if you want a good challenge movie to watch, this one here, it's called The Blood of Heroes, and it was written by the same guy who wrote Blade Runner. Stars one of the Blade Runner's main characters, Rutger Hauer, and another interesting actor that was in it, Vincent D'Onofrio. Pretty good movie. So this is all about just lock practice. I do a lot of practice on locks, sit around, just open them up. So this was sent to me, and I think it was a 5-minute challenge with these master locks. And they are 7 out of 10 scale. And I got 2 keys with it. And they're all keyed the same, so one key will open up all these. Sounds like it'd be an easy pick, but let's see how long it takes me to do these. Get them out of the package. And of course, Master Lock, located in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and these are assembled in Mexico with USA and global components. Nice. So let's take a look at these 3 locks. They're all master locks. They're pretty nice. Long shackle. So let's see how long it takes me. I think the challenge was 5 minutes for 3 locks. And I'm just going to be using the basic turning tool and one little wave, this little wave rake. And we're going to start this clock and see if I can do it under 5 minutes. So there we go. And I'm just pushing down on the pins lightly. So we're past one minute. Oh, can't get that one. Let's try another one. At 2 minutes. Okay, so there's one, and that one took 2 minutes. Try another one. Okay, so there's 2 of them. Go back to the first one. I still got 2 minutes to go. See if we can get this third one. Coming up on 3 minutes. Okay, there's the third one, and it took me 3 minutes and 16 seconds to get these 3 master locks open. And they, like I said, they were a 7 on a 1 to 10 scale. They're a 7, so they're supposed to be pretty hard to do. So that's it. That's the challenge, and I like taking time to pick locks just about every day. I'll do a few big ones, small ones. I like the brass ones the best. But those are master locks, and they are from Milwaukee, Wisconsin, which deserves a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.